नमस्कार, मैं हूं आमोद श्रीवास्तव। अमेजिंग थॉट, अमेजिंग मैसेज, अमेजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन की दिशा में आज एक कदम और आगे। आज के इस चिंतन का विषय है हैप्पीनेस। आपको ये मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और लाल बटन दबाकर सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें। साथ ही बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। आज के इस चिंतन का विषय है हैप्पीनेस। The basic source of all happiness is a sense of kindness and warm-heartedness towards others. We are all the same as human beings. We are born the same way. Likewise, we die the same way, and we all want to lead happy lives. We must continually consider the oneness of humanity, remembering that we all want to be happy. The key to happiness is peace of mind. The key to happiness is only peace of mind. This is not something that can be bought. Inner peace has to be cultivated by each of us from within. All our religious traditions, despite whatever philosophical differences there may be among them, carry the same message of love and warm-heartedness that is the foundation of such peace of mind. I sometimes wish that we were more like children who are naturally open and accepting of others. Instead, as we grow up, we fail to nurture our natural potential and our sense of fundamental human values. We get caught up in secondary differences and tend to think in terms of us and them. Education can change this. We need to learn to distinguish the destructive nature of emotions like anger, fear, and attachment, which disturb our peace of mind, from the positive qualities of compassion that are genuine source of happiness. I often ask myself what the purpose of life is. I conclude that it is to be happy. We have no guarantee of what will happen in the future, but we live in hope, which is what keeps us going. There is sometimes insufficient understanding of the differences between sensory consciousness and mental consciousness. The ultimate source of happiness is a mental feeling of joy and not a wealth of material goods. The sensory pleasure material things provide is generally short-lived. Such satisfaction does little to allay anxiety and fear. On the other hand, mental joy sustains itself. Nowadays, scientists too agree that our basic human nature is compassionate and warm-heartedness, because that is the way of lives begin. Without of mother's love and affection, we would not have survived. Since we depend on other human beings for our own happiness, it is natural to feel warm-hearted towards them. Human beings are responsive. No matter how beautiful a flower may be, it won't react to my smile. But if I smile at another human beings, she or he generally smiles in return. And even animals react positively. आपको ये मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें। धन्यवाद।